Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading on Friday, and this is the last session of the week. Okay, so you can see on the chart, this is a gift for everyone joining my stream on time. Buy gold at the entry zone 33.54 to 53. Yeah, actually this signal was already active in my VIP signal group, and before the stream starting, before my stream start, in my VIP signal group that we have a buy scalping signal gaining 80 pips from entry zone 50 to 49. Okay, so we're at the entry zone of the current signals. Hi, hello my friends. Okay, it seems the noisy, the atmosphere is really crowded. Make some noise. Hi. Okay, so you can see that we have the entry zone 54. Okay, so this is a gift for everyone joining my stream on time today. So are you in? Are you in for this one? Yeah, because I decided to buy because it's retest to below support zone. Yeah, and it's heading to our taking profit will be 65. 65 level. And as usual, our formula about taking profit is 30 pips, 50 pips, and open. Open. You can see that in the 1 hour chart, the main momentum is currently is the bullish. We can take the signal now. Actually it was active already. Let's wait for it coming back to the entry zone 54 because now it's just 4 pips left already. Hi Gupta. Okay, thank you so much for your observing, and now I recover it every single day. And trading is probability, and if you want to increase your winning rate, you need to enter enough scalping signal. H much A's, as many A's signal that I posted in the VIP signal group. And it also depends to the market movement. Some days that is kind of challenging, so this is the reason why I always encourage you to calculate the profit based on week or month. That is less pressure for you. And of course my mission is always find the best scalping signal, and I need at least 2 technical analysis, 2 conditions confluence together to set up any scalping signal. And if sometime it's not gain profit and hit the stop loss, that means the market is challenging and manipulated by the big players. And never mind that, you always need to know that every single time that we fail, I always prepare for the recover signal for all of you. And just to reduce your pressure when you do trading, that is the tips that I want to share with you. Calculate the profit based on week or month. Because the market not always make sure that bring profit to you. You can also ask experienced traders. They will tell you the same. And no one can guarantee 100% for you in winning rate. Okay, thank you so much for your kind understanding. You can see that around 10 pips, nearly 10 pips for us active. But it's too small for me to calculate and show it on the chart. You can even note it by yourself. Okay, so may I know what is your entry zone, 54 or 53 point XX? Okay, I need to pull it up. You can see that this currently 1 hour chart, 1 hour candle close in green, right? And next to it is forming a bullish candle. Okay, 15, 16, 17, nearly 20. Blow it up. Okay. Yeah, let's wait for our first 30 pips. Congratulations. Yeah, this is the gift that I offer to everyone join in my stream so on time. So congratulations. Yeah, 30 pips, you can close a part of your trade and set the break even. If you want to make sure your capital is safe. And if you want to risk with the market, you can remain the stop loss level. Yeah. Hi Dina, hi, hello everyone. 35 pips running. Okay, 35 pips running. It's gonna need some time to break for the temporary resistance. Yeah. If you late for the signal, you need to wait for the better position. Yeah, we're gonna have another sales gapping signal at the level 65. Okay, so anyone missed because you're late for my stream today? Let's wait for a better position. Okay, and don't be FOMO. Okay, what a pity. Yeah, I know that you really join on time for every single stream, but today I guess that you are busy with your work, right? Okay, I forgive you. And let's wait for another entry zone. Okay, waiting, let's waiting. Okay. Wow, so quickly. Yeah, so quickly right now. Touch good once again. Okay, 45 pips. Yeah, and this one, if you want to trade news or trade real time with me through 3 main sessions, welcome to the VIP signal group of the Golden Girl. Okay, so I close the stream right now because it's very touch good when we have the opening to the stream. Okay, so should I close the stream after just a few minutes, like 10 minutes? Okay, so just kidding. Yeah, at least 1 hour I will have trade real time with you. Wow, so impressive for today New York session. 50 pips, just a few seconds. Okay, so any VIP members, you hold. Okay, so anyone in a VIP signal group, you still hold the positions from the entry zone 50, 54, 46. Yeah, 46. Yeah, that's a super signal. Yeah, that's his offer today. And this signal is the DCA level. Sorry. This signal And this signal is another DCA. Yeah, another DCA one. Because today in the London session, yeah, actually from the from the end of Asian session until London session, Golden Girl focused on mostly on the buy signal. You can see that it still follow the current uptrend, right? Heading up, nearly 50, nearly 60 pips for us, steadily. Okay, so what's the pity for Bear and Dina? Yeah. Yeah, of course, I'm still hold for another better position. Okay, just share with you a bit from my profits. Yeah, from the better entry zone that previously I posted in my VIP signal group. Because today I enter a lot of layers because I feel that the market is moving good. Yeah, it's moving kind of well, and according to my analysis, yeah, it still follow my analysis. So that is the reason why I enter a lot of layers and enter for the DCA signals. You can see that 46 and 49, yeah, even 48 that I enter one by one level. And this is another entry zone. And this rule, if I want to enter many layers, I need to decrease the trading volume. Yeah, this is the obvious thing, right? So you can see that this is gonna be happen different a bit from my previous trading accounts that I show the profit to you. Yeah, because you can see that I added too many layers, and this is the reason why I decided to reduce a half of my trading volume. Okay, it's kind of touch good for today. Streaming, yeah, and Golden Girl give you gift for weekend. Relax with your family and your friend. And today in the London session, yeah, I had 3 buy signal. Gradually focus on the uptrend. Follow the trend. Trend is our friend. Okay, this is the updated. And do you still remember on last Wednesday? Yeah, it even took us around 4 hours for just one signal, right? The market will sometimes challenge our patience. And you can see that in the London session today, yeah, the markets move different because it's a lot of investor and retail traders that push to the current price, yeah, push to the gold price, and just focus on the best position like 46 to 44, 50 to 49, and now 54 to 53. Yeah, just one by one, and we trade according to follow the correct trend. This is gonna be the massive profit for all traders. Okay, so it's not always that the markets make us lose. And of course, definitely that the day later I will find another better signal to help you recover your loss. So every time you hit stop loss, neither do I. Yeah, we have the same scenario and situation. We cannot prevent from losing, and that is the part of the game. And our mission is just follow the risk reward ratio lesson and also the risk management. Okay, and keep calm with trading. No one can reach so steadily just after one trading, one signal. It's never gonna be happen. Okay, so stop blaming for the market or our signal. Okay, because that is not the things that we want, and we know what to do. Okay, you lost, I lost. You win, I win. That's always gonna be happen. Okay, so you can see that now it's heading back to 59 level. Okay, so it's back to this temporary resistance. It's back already. And now it's heading to the higher level. Yeah. Okay, so you can see that all the candles are kind of far from the below EMA, right? And they still follow the current uptrend. Yeah, current uptrend. And whenever it hits to the resistance around 65 to 64, we're gonna have another sell signal here. Yeah, this is our plan. This is our plan. Okay, so just a few minutes that, wow, more than 60 friends that viewer viewing my stream today. Thank you very much. And today is Friday, and I realized that more and more friends joining in because you don't have to work for on weekend, right? So you have more time to enter to the stream with me. Okay, so I hope that every friend that joined in my stream so on time today, you have profit, big profit to relax with your family and your friends at the weekend. And this is gonna be energy, yeah, positive energy for us to prepare for another week to battle with the gold market once again. Okay, so let's take a look at the Forex Factory calendar this week. So you can see that most of the news is positive for gold, and this is causing the temporary adjustment from the gold price, and this is the main momentum. Yeah, this is just the main reason for the adjustment. Gold decrease. So after that, you can see that gold recovered to the previous level quickly, because now based on because of the new decisions of Mr. President Donald Trump about the tariff policy that make the economy chaos. Yeah, it's gonna be so chaos at the moment. So investor is gonna fighting gold again to be a safe haven asset, right? Based on crypto like BTC or another coins, right? And stocks. Yeah, they and now whenever the market, whenever the global economy is chaos, yeah, gold is increasing its price as always. And today you can see that we do not have any red news, just oranges. Yeah, just orange news. And yeah, it's not make a big impact to the market, yeah, as I consider. But if you have enough target about profit, you can stop trading and enjoy your weekend. And if not, yeah, you can do it. You can continue your trading, but be careful and don't let the profit you gain for the whole week blown away. Okay, so this is just a reminder from Golden Girl to every trader. We don't know what's gonna be happen on Friday. Yeah, because most of the traders will close the trade and taking profit from the trading account. And some of my friends, they do not trade on Friday. Yeah, so even on Monday, and they just focus on Thursday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Yeah. So we always make alert to the market and every movement, every single trade we're in. Okay, so now it just have a slightly adjustment to retest to above resistance. Now became support. Alright. And now, do you trade, my friends, do you trade for BTC and USD as well? Because as I see that BTC having reasonable price to in, and many investors spend the money to buy BTC at the moment. Yeah, now it's kind of accumulating on the support area at the moment. Okay, so let's see for the current reactions of the market. Yeah, I will check into 5-minute time frame to see price moving faster. Yeah, moving faster than the big time frame. And all the 3 EMAs now below the candles. Yeah, this is the indicate for the uptrend of the market. And okay, in the 1 hour chart, this is the level. Yeah, 3377. Yeah, public was formed. Yeah, this shadow above shadows of the current candle of this candle was formed last Wednesday when the PPI news release, and gold can break for this level 3377. It's gonna heading to another peak, and new 88 will be set up. Yeah, so we're gonna have the mark for this current level. Okay, for this previous level 3377. And now you can see that in the 1 hour chart, the main momentum is still the bullish, right? Because it's under the current uptrend. As you can see that I draw the green line, a green dash on the chart. So no worries that the market still support for our buy signal. And yeah, as I always share with you, that if you want to receive more and more good scalping signal, welcome to the VIP signal group of the Golden Girl. More than 50 pips. Yeah, 55. Okay, so anyway, that I still keep the remain opinion about the sell scalping signal at the level 65 to 64. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. Yeah, go back to the let's see the candle on July 18. Yeah, this is nearly forming a crossover of 3 EMA with a very strong bullish engulfing candle, and this is the reverse for gold from the decreasing, yeah, from the downtrend to uptrend. And as always, now the market always needs some time to moving sideways before it starts for a new wave. Okay, heading up. 60 level is waiting. All right. Take another setup. Yeah, we will wait because now so far we do not have any good signal for buy, any good position for buy signal. Yeah. Hi Kunan. Thank you so much for joining in my stream today, and I hope you did not miss our current buy signal on the chart. What's TP? Now it's heading to above TP because now I'm looking forward another sales signal at the entry zone 65 to 64. Okay, so if you feel okay, feel satisfied with the current profit, you can close a part of the trade and hold the rest for the further taking profit. Okay, my pleasure. At Jenny. Yeah, at Jenny. Okay, and I hope to see all of you in the VIP signal group of the Golden Girl. Okay, so this levels is a significant level that I will observe the chart. And let's see for the momentum of the candle. So if the candle is still under the very strong bullish momentum, this level, yeah, this sell signal is gonna be cancelled. Okay, so it will depends. Yeah, it depends to the bullish or bearish momentum. Okay, thank you so much for your asking, Mohammed. You can send me direct message and I will instruct you how to proceed. Yeah, to join in my VIP signal group. And the fee is just a very reasonable and affordable for you. All right. Okay, so I didn't see your name. Someone comment Dial? Diane. Okay, Diane. Long time no see you. Learning, have the channel for learning as well. Okay, so far that I just uploaded the video on my YouTube, and I will share the experience and real-time trading experience on my stream, because I cannot arrange so far that I cannot arrange to have the learning streaming. Yeah, you know that there are dozen tasks that I need to handle at the moment, and whenever I can arrange to have time to stream with you, to live stream with all of you, live trading, yeah, that is my efficient, yeah, my efficient to do it, I'm willing to do it. Okay, my pleasure, and congratulations for the profit you gain. Okay, thank you, Patak. See you on Monday. Congratulations for the profits you gained today. Okay, so now it's dropping down a bit. Yeah, the market will have the reactions. It's gonna be coming back to the below trend line, which is our current position. But don't worry, anyone, if you want to trade safety, you can close. Okay, you can set the break even to protect your capital. Oh, it's gonna be everything need times. Yeah, everything needs times. And you know that my trading journey is almost 8 years. That's many lessons that I have to suffer, and yeah, a lot of miserable lessons and experience I have learned. Yeah, I have had in the past. And it's not always easy. Yeah, it's not always easy. You cannot look for the result. Yeah, we need to understand the whole process. Yeah, the whole process. And it's really not easy to get the good results like this. Everything needs effort. And this is the reason why I always encourage all of you, especially the beginner. We need to learn trading. Yeah, from the basic knowledge to the advanced one. And on my channel that I will upload the video mostly about the basic knowledge. Yeah, basic knowledge and my market analysis, right? To help you understand the theory first, and then we practice. Yeah, we practice, and well, we do it like trading real time together. And if you are not familiar to the trading platform, you can try to open the demo account. Yeah, to get used to using the trading platforms, how you place order, market order, how to set the limit order, how to close the part. Yeah, something like that. And whenever you get familiar to the usage, yeah, usage of the broker platform, you can open live trading account, but starting with small account and small capital, right? Just small capital for you to practice one by one. And this market is not for anyone greedy. If you greedy, right? If you greedy and not patient, more than 100%, you will lose. Yeah, maybe you can gain a lot of profit in the beginning of your trade. That just because you're lucky. And this is the case that I have been before. And after that it became zero, because the market know how to manipulate our trading psychology. Yeah, and when you are not make any alert to the market, you forget to set the stop loss, or you didn't want to do that because it's gonna be how to say, it's turpin. Yeah, it's threaten your mindset or your emotion when you trade. This is when the market will take all from you. Yeah, even the profit and also your capital. So this is, I understand when I first started my trading journey. And after a fell, yeah, some blown away accounts. Yeah, some accounts was blown away, and I decided to do it seriously. Yeah, starting to learn everything seriously and be disciplined to every analysis. And you will see this gonna be happen that we miss for the entry zone because of our analysis. That's just fine. Miss better than loss, right? Just focus on our analysis. Don't FOMO to the market, because sometimes if you FOMO, the market is trap you. Okay, so this is just the lessons and experience I want to share with you every single time I stream with you. I have live stream with you because it's simple. Yeah, it's simple, and sometimes you will see that it's annoyed when I just keep on saying and saying, repeat and repeat. But every single trader, especially fresher, you must remember and control yourself when you trade, because it just takes a moment for you to click to the button buy or sell, right? But the consequence, the result is very severely if it go against to your analysis or your decision. right? We are investor, we are traders, we're not gambler. So yeah, that's just the reason why we always need to be disciplined and yeah, be patient with the market. And from every single analysis and every single scalping signal that we set up, we must follow it. Okay, and don't be FOMO to this market anymore. Yeah, that's just randomly. Yeah, random trades is very dangerous because that it's gonna be happen like this. You just open your phone, right? Just click to MT4, MT5 platform, and you can see that oh now it's have a very strong bullish or bearish engulfing candle. So now the main momentum is the bullish or bearish, or that depends to that market that time, right? And then you click to buy or sell button, but boom, what's gonna be happen like that? It's dropping or it's just go against, yeah, it go against to your decision. So I even myself that have some accounts blown away when I did it. Yeah, when I did it. And this is trap our psychology, because that I know that now I still admire to the big players, because oh, they really know how to manipulate our trading psychology. You can see that you can think about that every single time you enter to the buy button. Yeah, for example, you click to the buy button and just a few seconds later it's dropping steadily, right? That's just when that's just when the market trapped us already, right? And yeah, I really admire to the big players who set up for this market. Yeah, because I don't know how they know that, right? Because they don't know when we open the phone and log into our trading platforms and enter to the trade randomly, right? But that's just magic. Now I even know. Yeah, sometimes I still doubt about it. So that is the reason why we always need to be set up the strategy, yeah, trading strategy, and be disciplined to follow it. Okay. Yeah, that is very good, and that is I hope that your experience, yeah, will follow you forever as long as you're still a trader, right? Never forget about that. Okay, so now still moving sideways a bit, above the support zone 59. Okay, it's gonna be take some time, because you can see that previously the market just had nearly a big engulfing bullish engulfing candle, so it's gonna need some time to rest. Yeah, to rest and fighting with the sellers to gain another higher level. Now I'm living in France. Okay, I'm living in France with my family. We dotted trend going dynamic. Okay, so this blue lines that I draw on the chart is the trend line in the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, in my future, I will visit India because I see that your country has a lot of sightseeing. Yeah, and this is also interesting culture. This is my another privacy question. Okay, thank you so much for your concern, and I would like not to reply on the stream. Yeah, just focus on trading, and I will share with you everything about trading. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for your guys' invitations. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let's see. Oh, it's just dropping back to the below support. Yeah. Okay, so let's see that. Are you still on this trade? Yeah, it still haven't hit your break even. Yeah, right. So you still hold a part of this game. Are you still in this game, my friend? We're still waiting for it hit to uh, the current level that we are aiming. Yeah, 33.65. Hi, Rafik. Oh, what's wrong with you? Can you send me a direct message once again so that I will instruct you how to join it? Okay, so just require for the USDT or Skrill payment. Okay, with a small fee, you can access to our VIP signal group. Okay, so please send me a direct message on Telegram again. Hi, Rafik. Uh, Yeah, it's just less than $50 that you have the VIP access for a month. So this is kind of reasonable for you, right? Because you can gain around thousands of profits based on your account. Yeah, based on your amount of account. And many traders have a lot of winning. Yeah, had a lot of profits when they join in my VIP signal group. And I will instruct you how to join it and how to follow my signal on my VIP signal group closely. You're so funny, my friend. We need a Trump tweet to make it move. Okay, so yeah, it's this headache, right? It's a headache for another president to manage with his new decisions, right? Whenever it's just public any uh, news about the tariff, yeah, about the tariff policies, that's gonna be headache for every president. At the moment on the chart, I just use only the EMA. Okay, so I will show this to you You click to indicators and choose this script name. Okay, remember this. Okay, remember this one, and you click to that script name and click to this button regarding to setting. You change into 3 numbers for 34, 89 and 200. Okay, and style, I will not change the style, and the boldest dash or the boldest line in blue is gonna be EMA 200. Okay, I hope you get it. Wow, I just see the 60 level. Alright, 60 pips for us. After having some accumulating time that now is coming back again to the bullish momentum. So now remember, we're still in the New York session, so everything will be faster than New York or Asian. Wow, so fast. 65. Still waiting to the specific level, 33.65. The one below, what do you mean the one below? This is the 3 EMA, yeah, EMA 200, 89 and 34, and this is the trend line, yeah, by connecting the below bottom together, yeah, the near bottom together, that you can have the trend line, and this is another resistance, yeah, now became the support. I will change the color to help you distinguish the meaning. Okay, why I cannot do it? Yeah, the blue lines indicates for the support level. Blue is support, and red also indicates for resistance. Yeah. So I just use the basic technology analysis to set up the trade. Yeah. On the stream, on my every single stream, because I need to find any indicators or analysis method that is simplest, yeah, simplest to help the beginners understand easily. Okay. Yeah, this is now I calculate. Okay, I just observing the EMA as to identify the market trend. You can see now it's still below the candle, right? And the candle is above 3 EMA. This is, and it's heading up, and this indicates for the current uptrend. Yeah, and the next purpose by observing EMAs is set up any scalping signal whenever it's formed a crossover like this, and we need to observe the body of the candle on the crossover of the EMA, like this one. This is the reverse signal of market reverse, right, near the crossover. And now it's kind of far from the trend line. Yeah, the candle is kind of far from the trend line, and it's still heading up. And always that whenever it go far away, yeah, it's go far away from EMA, it will tend to coming back to touch to the EMA, and then it will continue its movement. Yeah, you can say that the candle cannot move far away from the EMA. Okay, so this is the action that we identify the level, yeah, the level that the market will adjust the price. But it's no worries that we have the good position. Yeah, we have good position, so we do not need to concern for this. And that's when we just focus on the current trend of the market by observing the EMA below. Okay, it's my pleasure. So this is the easiest way for you to set up the efficient scalping signal by using EMA. And of course, you will need to confluence with other conditions like trend line or support or resistance. Yeah, and the longer of the EMA length, the more stable, yeah, the more reliable it's gonna be. Which means EMA 200, this is the value of previous 200 candle. Average value of previous 200 candles. This is more reliable than 34, right? Because it's kind of short, just 34 previous candle. So based on the importance, you can rely on the longest, the longest EMA you set up. And now I'm using EMA 200 is the longest line, longest value, a biggest value. And this gonna be changed in a bigger time frame. Yeah, you can see that the EMA is gonna be different when you decided to open in another time frame. Yeah, and in the big time frame, and usually that I set up the gold trading plan based on 1 hour chart. Yeah, to identify the market trend on that day. And you will have broader view on the 4-hour chart or daily. Yeah, it will have the broader view. Okay, and 4-hour chart will consider for the weekly trading plan. Okay, I would like to delete this to help you see it better. Okay, so in the 4-hour chart, you can see that it's now slowly heading to the resistance that I draw on the chart is 65. And the main momentum of the market in the big time frame, like 4 hours, is still under the bullish, supported by the buyers. Yeah, a lot of buyers. And let's see, daily. Yeah, daily now is heading to, it's still moving sideways because all the candles is on. Yeah, all the candles is on the EMA 34 on the 1 hour chart. On a one day chart. Okay, so now the market is still moving sideways, and you can see that my previous live or previous right zone, yeah, it's just around 32.96 to 33.77. Yeah, that is a very narrow range in the daily time frame that the market is moving sideways at the moment. But in the smaller time frame, you will see another level that the market break one by one. Yeah, another specific level that you can observe clearly than looking in the big time frame. And just on the big time frame, you just identify the market trend and yeah, just focus on that. And for the support or resistance level, you can identify that on the 4-hour chart or even daily if heading to nearer to the border, nearer to the right zone, yeah, of the previous day that the market hit. And in a 1-hour chart, we will set up the scalping signal for daily plan. And my regulations is every single day at the end of New York session, I will cancel every plan that I wrote in a day, which means it's only valid in a day. Okay, and another day I will compose and update it for you new gold trading plan. Okay, so plan, that is plan, and it can be changed whenever the market movement, right? Whenever it depends to the market movement. And like today, yeah, you can see that my previous plan, my plan posted in the in the Asian session is heading to the downtrend, right? But now in the London session, I focus mostly on buy signal because I realized that the market was changing, and so that I need to be flexible with my analysis and my decisions as well. So it's not always for us to be sustainable with our plan. Everything gonna be happen. So do our decision, right? And that is when that I spend most of my time in a day to observe the chart, do analysis, to set up the best scalping signal for everyone, especially my VIP signal group. Okay, so if you want to receive the benefits from me, from the golden girl, for the more and more scalping signal that may bring profit to you, okay, just send me direct message on Telegram so that I can instruct you how to join in very quickly. Yeah, I'd love to share that things to you. Okay, so where's the signal? Did I just delete it? I cannot see it. Okay, let me check. Oh, it's kind of far. I need to bring it closely. Okay, so let's observe the 1 hour chart. Oh, anyone just comment that we gain 70 pips, right? No, it's not really. Just heading to the highest level, we gain 3360.7. Yeah, I cannot trick to calculate 70 pips, or maybe it's different because you use another broker and there's gonna be spread. Yeah, spread different a bit from the trading view price, and I just based on trading view price to calculate the running profit. Okay, my pleasure. And now my specific levels is around 3365, so I will see the momentum of the current candle to decide any actions later. Okay, so now this is the reason why that I need all the time to observe the chart and set up the scalping signal. Yeah, it's not a good work. Okay, it's not relaxed at all. Yeah, it's very pressure when we do it, but yeah, because I love it, I love doing that, so it's no problem. Okay, so it's heading to 61. Now we officially have 70 pips. Yeah, everything must be clear, right? Pool price spread is so huge. Okay, so there's there's another account. Okay, so can you send me the direct message on Telegram, so I will check and discuss with the broker, yeah, to have any adjustment or not. Yeah, this is the not good feedback to Pool Prime, and I need to discuss with them for the level of spread. And dear my VAB members, congratulations that we just have another signal. Yeah, that's gain 40 pips from the entry zone 57 to 56. Okay, so on my stream, I just can post it around 1 to 2 signals. And this is the privilege and benefit for every VIP member, because you can receive more scalping signal, more scalping entry zone that maximize your profit. Okay, so anyone still not in my VIP signal group, come on, send me direct message on Telegram and I will instruct you how to join in. Okay, congratulations, Dina. Yeah, that's good because you're late from the previous level, right? So this is another compensation for you. And remember, don't be late for next time. Okay, so time flies so fast, and yeah, we have nearly 1 hour to trade real time together. And I'm very happy that today, yeah, we have profit, and this is my small gift for everyone that join my stream today, so you can relax, go chill, hang out with your family or your friends by today profit, right? And I will continue to update the current signal on my Telegram community and also the VIP signal group. And if you want to receive more and more real-time trading scalping signal, Nova Golden Girl is waiting for you. And yeah, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much for joining in the stream today. So touch good and see you next week. Yeah, with more and more winning scalping signal. Happy weekend. See you next time.